Welcome back to online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we will do class 1 English reader chapter number 17. Student, it's a story and it's a story about the tiger and the mosquito, and the title of chapter is The Tiger and the Mosquito. Let us read this story. A tiger was dozing under a tree. Student, there was a tiger. He was sleeping under a tree. A mosquito came buzzing by. A mosquito came and it started buzzing. The tiger said, "Hey mosquito, go away." The tiger said mosquito to go away from here. The mosquito said, student, you can see in the picture, it's a mosquito. The mosquito said, why should I go away? Why I will go away? I am not afraid of you. I am not afraid you, so I will not go away. The tiger was angry. After hearing this, the tiger became angry. He hit out with his paw. What did he do? He hit the mosquito with his paw. The mosquito flew away. After this, the mosquito flew from there. The paw struck his own cheek. And what happened? His own paw struck his own cheek. The blow scraped his cheek, and his cheek is scraped by the lion himself. It began to bleed. There blood comes. The mosquito buzzed away, and mosquitoes buzzed away. The tiger struck with his other paw. The mosquito flew away. What did the tiger do? The tiger struck with his other paw. He used his other paw, but the mosquito flew away. This time too he hit himself. The tiger hit himself. The tiger was helpless. The mosquito continued to buzz. Now the tiger became helpless, but the mosquito continued to buzz. He did not stop. The tiger got up and quietly walked away. What did the tiger do? Tiger got up and he quietly walked away. The mosquito called out after him. Don't be so proud, my friend. Everyone is great in his own way. Mosquito then told to not to be proud, because everyone is great in his own way. Now we will do summary of this chapter. This is a story of a tiger and a mosquito. Once the tiger was relaxing. This is a story of a tiger and a mosquito. And once the tiger was relaxing, a mosquito came buzzing. It started buzzing to near him. The tiger became frustrated. After hearing this buzzing, the tiger got frustrated and said mosquito to go away from here. But mosquito kept buzzing around him. But mosquito did not listen to the tiger. He continued the buzzing and disturbed the tiger. Tiger attacked the mosquito with his paw. What did the tiger do? He attacked the mosquito with his paw. But what happened? The paw struck its own cheek. The same thing happened again. and the tiger was helplessly. Tiger became helplessly and walked away. He walked away. Tiger walked away. Mosquito gave a lesson to the tiger that never to be proud. Mosquito gave a lesson to tiger that we should not be never proud. Why? Because everyone has its own qualities. Student, we should not be proud because everyone has own qualities. It's time to learn the difficult words. Dozing, D-O-Z-I-N-G, tiger, T-I-G-E-R, mosquito, M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, buzzing, B-U-Z-Z-I-N-G, should, S-H-O-U-L-D, away, A-W-A-Y, afraid, A-F-R-A-I-D, hit, H-I-T, hit, P-A-W, flew, F-L-E-W, struck, S-T-R-U-C-K, chick, C-H-E-E-K, scrapped, S-C-R-A-P-E-D, bleed, B-L-E-E-D, quietly, Q-U-I-E-T-L-Y, quietly, proud, P-R-O-U-D, great, G-R-E-A-T, helpless, H-E-L-P-L-E-S-S, continued, C-O-N-T-I-N-U-E-D, own, O-W-N, way, W-A-Y, B-E-G-A-N, began. Now we will do the word meaning related to this chapter. Student, dozing means होता है sleeping lightly for short time. Mosquito, an insect, is called mosquito. Buzzing, sound of flying insect. Sound of flying insect is called the buzzing. Angry means irritated. Angry means irritated, I-R-R-I-T-A-T-E-D. Paw, a padded foot. A padded foot of an animal with long curved nails. Now flew, moved through the air. Blow, attack. Scraped, removed skin with nails. Struck, hit. Helpless, a stage where one can do nothing. A stage where one cannot do nothing. Quietly, without making any noise, is called quietly. Walked, went away. Proud, feeling of pride. Great, having good qualities. Now we will do make sentences. Hit, I must not hit anyone. Proud, I am proud to be an Indian. Great, we had a great time at the party. Angry, I was angry because the food was not ready. I was angry because the food was not ready. Bleed, she was going to bleed a lot. Now fill in the blanks. A dash was dozing under a tree. Who was dozing? Yes, tiger was dozing under a tree. A dash came buzzing by. Who came buzzing by? Mosquito, M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. The tiger hit out with his dash. Paw, P-A-W. The mosquito buzzed dash away, A-W-A-Y. Everyone is dash in his own way. Great, G-R-E-A-T. It's time to do question answer. What was the tiger doing when the mosquito came buzzing by? Student, the tiger was dozing under a tree when the mosquito came buzzing by. Why did the tiger's cheek start to bleed? The tiger hit his cheek with his own paw, because of which it started bleeding. Why did the tiger walk away? The tiger walked away because he was helpless. Because he was helpless. So, okay students. So today's your work is to revise this chapter with the help of video. See you again in next video. Bye bye.